Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. I am staying safe. This is our village vlog series number 9 guys, and here I'm going to end the village vlog because today we are going back guys. But before going back, I wanted to show you guys our village pond which is overflowing, and first time even I'm seeing guys, because I never used to come so far and to see the pond, because I've ever seen our village pond is overflowing. So first time even I'm gonna see. I just visited this pond many times, but I've never seen the overflow. We all are very happy guys, because our village pond is overflowing due to heavy rainfall, and that's what all our farmers need. And I'm also so happy guys. So here today I'm gonna take you guys to our village pond which is overflowing. So are you guys ready to come? Come on guys. Actually we are on the way. All my neighbors and friends have told me that our village pond is overflowing, and even they're catching the fishes guys. That's again a interesting one. So we all decided to visit this pond before going back. So here we are, and I'm so excited guys that I'm gonna show our village pond, and it is going to be such a beautiful view guys. From here you can see, wow, beautiful guys. Now the time is 7 a.m. guys, and by that time only they've catch so many fishes. Wow, they are small, but if they prepare curry with this, it is going to be awesome. Guys, these are fresh catch, and this is called snake-haired morel fish, which will be very tasty guys if we prepare curry with this. And can you see the water flow guys? Wow, I really felt as if I'm in a heaven, and I would love to play in the water, but right now I don't have time because we are going back, and so I don't want to miss this place. So I just came here, and my son enjoyed a lot here, so you can just watch him. Keep watching. First time even we are seeing the beauty of our village pond guys. Seriously, it's really beautiful. I'm not able to describe actually what to say regarding this pond and the water flow, but really enjoying and feeling so happy. The water is so cold, and also we can even catch the fishes guys. We don't have time, so we didn't try it. He's really having fun with water flow, and he loved to play in the water. And of course this is not encouraging any other parents nor the kids to play like this guys. This is our own experience, we are just sharing with you guys. Guys, basically I'm a nature lover, and hearing the water sound I really felt so happy and so excited. There is no words to describe about this pond guys. Keep watching guys, I'm gonna make you guys also hear the water sound. Many are waiting for the fishes guys. In the beginning of this video you might have seen nearly 5 to 6 members are waiting to catch the fishes, and I've showed you how many fishes they have catched. It's a fresh catch. Obviously who doesn't want to catch it guys? Because we don't have time, we are not trying it out, but still we're gonna try one or two for you guys. So keep watching guys. Wow! We really enjoyed a lot guys with this water flow, and the sound, the nature, everything, it's all together. Really, we had really a lot of fun over here. we really miss this place, guys, because we don't have much of time to spend over here, and this is the last day in our village, and tomorrow onwards you're gonna watch my daily vlogs. So yes, I definitely gonna miss this place. So all this water will just reach the place where we did fishing. Who have not seen our fishing vlog video, please go ahead and watch it, guys. It is really damn interesting video. So I'm gonna leave the link below, guys. Who are really interested, please go ahead and watch it. And here we are trying to catch the fish, and this place is not really slippery, guys, so that is the reason we can really enjoy a lot here, and we can walk and we can slowly run and catch the fish. Wow, can you see him? He's so happy that he catch the fish. And this is one more, the snake-haired morel fish, and this is the other one, but still we're gonna leave them. We're not gonna catch it, just to show you guys. I'm just here. We're going home, guys. Now I'm gonna end this vlog. So how you really felt about this vlog, please let me know in the comment section, guys. So once again, I'm gonna show you the water flow. Wow, it's really awesome. That's all for today's one, guys. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.